Hi all. So today we will see how to create buttons in Power BI. So buttons are usually created in order to provide an engaging environment in Power BI. Okay, so that we use buttons. So in this insert tab, we can see many buttons. Left, right, reset, like that. Many buttons are available. Okay, so we will see one by one. If I am clicking this back arrow, back button, that is, we will see a back arrow here. Okay, this is one of the button. And when I click on this, we can see many options in the formatting. Okay, we can format this button if you require. We can add text. Okay, text and all we can add here. If I am adding home, this is my text, and we can change the size. We can change the font. Many options are available. Just explore that. And here we can give a background color for the button also. Okay, this is my this is the background color. Suppose this is the background color. Okay, and we can increase the transparency and all. These are the formatting options in buttons. Okay, and we have a main important option in button is action. Okay, action means whatever actions we are setting, according to that, this buttons will work. Okay, actions, we can see type option here. Type, we have many type. Okay, actually there are 6 types available. Okay, there are 6 type of actions. So by default this has come back. Okay, back action has been by default it's back. I'm not going to change that. So when I click on this button, okay, how we'll click, we'll use control plus click to click the button. Okay, so I will use control in the keyboard and click. Okay, what happens is that it will move to the previous page which I have visited. Okay, so if I am visiting this conditional formatting page, means from here, if I am clicking the button, it will move back to the previous page which I have visited. Okay, that is the action which I have said, back action. Okay, back means it moves to the previous page which I visited. Okay, so again, I will add one more button. Okay, okay, here you can do the formatting and all, but I will show you the actions of each button. Action, now I am making this action on, but by default it will be off. Just make it on. And type, it is by default back. I am going to change this type to some other types. Suppose I will make it as Q&A. Okay, if I am clicking on control plus click, you can see the Q&A window has been opened here. Okay, like that you can choose. Okay, and again, if I am giving some other button, okay, any button will give. The action which we set is important. Okay, so here I will set the action. So this is my action. Okay, this is my action. And type I will give as page navigation. Okay, page navigation means here we have to give the destination page. Okay, many pages I have created here. So I will give one of the page. Suppose I will give a page, groups and edit interactions. This is one of my page. So I will give this page. So when I click control plus click, it will navigate to that page which I have mentioned. That is the destination part. Okay. So that is the button. Any button you can choose, but the action which we set depends, the button will work depends upon the action which we are setting. Okay. So here in this button itself, we can change the action also if required. Okay. So okay, this is the web URL also we will see. Web URL. Web URL means, suppose if I am copying any URL from, suppose from Google, I will choose some URL. Okay, I will choose Power BI. Okay, download page. I will move to Power BI download page. Okay, this is my URL. I am just copying this URL. Okay, I will copy this URL and I will paste it here. Okay, and I will click to this button. Here it has come another page. Whatever I am clicking, it's displaying here. Okay, that is that page will be opened. Okay, so I will click once more. Control plus click. You can see that it's coming each time. That URL, that page will be displayed. So this all are about the button. Just explore all this. So see you on next video. Thank you.